Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So for today's video guys, I am finally doing my monthly makeup rotation for the month of May. And I know I did upload this very late and I was doing this very late. That is because I was patiently waiting for my new desk. Yes, so this one arrived this morning and I was just so excited, and yes, I was very, very excited. Anyway, well, we will get into that. And today, let's just go ahead and jump right into the makeup monthly rotation. Alright guys, so here are the products that I used for the month of April. I really did enjoy all of these products and it's time for me to change them. By the way, I am not going to change this one, this hydrating primer from Full Color. I'm going to let this stay. That is because I do have a new foundation routine, or mixing your primer and your foundation and your liquid highlighter together really makes a very, very big difference. You know, it really gives your skin very glowy and illuminating effect, and I really, really love that, especially for the summer. So I'm going to let this two stay, but I am going to add a powder highlighter for my regular highlighter, but this one stays. And yeah, and by the way, this foundation, you know, I really don't enjoy this foundation. I just don't like it, but I think I'm going to declutter this one, and or probably I'm just gonna give this to my mom or to my sister, or I think my sister would love this one, so I'm just gonna declutter that. And now I'm just gonna change everything. If you saw my Key Best first impressions and words of this one, this is their solid brow shaping cream. This brow shaping cream is very amazing. I mean, it really did hold my brows longer, and I really love this one. I mean, you don't need to spray something just to grab the product because it is really, really very creamy. So yeah, I am keeping this one for the month of May, or I'll probably, you know, consume this. So yeah, I'll be keeping this one. Alright guys, so here are the makeup that I pick up for the month of May. So I just add some eyeshadow here because this space here is just way too empty. That is because I pull out the pots where I placed my foundation, leftover foundation, and I just pull that out. And here I put my brow shaping cream. I already have a new cream bronzer. Hi guys, this is the Editing Jane, and I realized in that video I forgot to mention, or I forgot to pick up a highlighter. So I did pick up a highlighter now, and this is the Key Best highlighter, and this is in the shade Gold Sand. So I believe this is their baked highlighter. Okay, so back to the video. From Key Best, I really, really love this stuff, and this is in the shade Wheat Color. Yeah. And I also have a blush. I totally forgot this blush. I really, really love this blush. I mean, look at the color. Look at that. It's really for summer. And yeah, majority of the products here are really peachy. This is from NYX, and this is in the shade Wanderlust. How cool is that? And my powder, I picked this one. This is from Pink Flash, and this is the translucent powder. So that's my powder for the month of April. And okay, so this one is from Key Best, Full Color, and the same from O2O, my leftover foundation. The pink mascara from Pink Flash, this one never fails me. And for here, I also pick up some liquid eyeshadows from Pretty Secret. And also their cream blush, I pick up the Vibrant Peach and the Warm Nude. And for the lips, oh, by the way, I forgot. For my concealer, I pick up the iMagic Cosmetics. For the lips, I pick up the 3 lip and cheek products from Pink Flash. I haven't used them in a while, so I picked them up. And also this one from the Balm. This is so long time ago now, maybe 2016. So I really need to wear that. And a gloss, I pick up All Clear Gloss from Pink Flash 020. Oh no, this is not 020. This is Focallure, and this one is from Key Best. So that's it. Alright, so here are the products that I pick up for the month of May. Alright, so about this table, you already know, if you have watched my videos, you already know that I put my makeup in a little TV shelves. So I still put my makeup in there, but this one is just where I put my monthly makeup bin and my skincare and my brushes there. I did transfer it there because I realized I don't have any space for my lamp. This is my first time to order a furniture at Shopee. That is because I was just so scared to order. I might receive the wrong product or the wrong color. I might receive damage or no screws, at least like factory defect. So I was really reading a lot of reviews from a different store and different page. Some are so angry because they don't have any screw included in the package, and some doesn't have any, you know, like this compartment down here. Others also receive a table that has crack in the middle, which is so horrible, but thank God mine is perfect, and yeah, it's clean and there's no crack on it, and I'm just so happy. But anyway, I will link the shop down below on my description box, so you can see that one. And yeah, my makeup are still here, and I am actually planning to buy another organizer. Anyway, I will deal with that next time. So yeah. But anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to see you on my next video. And by the way, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!